For this demonstration, I want to show you how ScriptRunner deals with errors and error messages and how you can see those show up in your reports. I'm here on my ScriptRunner host, and I have a file just called call function not found. It's just a simple script that has a reference to a function called getThing. And as you can probably tell, getThing is not a default PowerShell command. It is a custom function that I have personally created. And I want to run this call function not found script inside of ScriptRunner. So I have the script saved in the upload folder here on my ScriptRunner box. And you see that here it is call function not found. So I have it in the upload folder on my ScriptRunner box. Let's now move over to ScriptRunner, where I'll come up in the scripts and commandlets page. We'll go ahead and click on reload to bring in the script that I just put in the upload folder. This script is loaded into ScriptRunner. I can then search for that script called call function not found. Now I'm going to create an action to demonstrate what the error messages look like inside of ScriptRunner. I'll go ahead and click on create to create a new action, and then I will go ahead and search for the script. And now that the action is created, I'll just go ahead and run it, and I fully expect this to return an error message. Since the script is on my ScriptRunner host, I can choose direct service execution and hit OK. Once it's done, notice that we have a red box in the report column. So we'll go ahead and click on that, and then you can notice a few different things here. You can notice the first off is the results property here, which has the red circle with the exclamation point with script errors in it. And if you hover over that, you can see that a tooltip comes up with the message that the error returned. Scrolling down a little bit more, you can see the result message. The result message, when a PowerShell script throws an error, you will see the error message in here that's exactly like what you would see in the PowerShell console. And then scrolling down a little bit more, you have an error messages section where it will show that as a terminating error, we have non-terminating and terminating errors, and have all the text. And then finally, scrolling down a little bit more, you'll have the complete report of all of the information that was returned whenever the error happened. ScriptRunner captures those exceptions and error messages and error types and allows you to easily see that in the report. So now let's head over to the PowerShell ISE, and I'll show you the library script, if you will, with a single function in it called getThing. This is the PowerShell script that has the function declaration that I am referencing in the other script that I just showed you that errored out. So what I'm going to do right now, it's located on the desktop. So I'll go ahead and just make a copy of this and put it into the lib folder on the ScriptRunner host. In here, ScriptRunner will treat this as a library script, which will be .sourced in whenever you call it. So for ScriptRunner to recognize that a library script was added, I will go back over to scripts and commandlets, hit reload, and then I will go ahead and just search for it. Now you can see that it shows up. We have two options. We have getThing.ps1, and then ScriptRunner understands that it's a library script. You can see that getThing.ps1:getThing, so it has the name of the function, understands that. So now let's go back over to actions, and we'll go ahead and edit this action we just created. And then we'll go over to the PowerShell options category here. And then you can see that we have an option called library scripts to preload into the session. Now that ScriptRunner knows that this script is a library script, I can see getThing.ps1 in here. This is going to essentially .source the function in right before my main script loads. So now that I've done that, I will go ahead and run it. I will pick direct service execution then again to run it directly on the ScriptRunner host. And then I'll go over here and click the green icon this time under reports. And then now notice that the result here has script errors of 0. We have the green check mark, and there are no errors reported in the report. So that has been a brief summary of how you can use ScriptRunner to easily figure out how to notice when your PowerShell script throws an error of some kind.